Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a night POV test drive in this 2022 MINI Cooper Countryman SE hybrid. It's plug-in hybrid version. But before we go onto a drive, let's take a quick look at the exterior, because it does look quite nice, especially I love the taillights on this one. I'm going to show you all the stats on the right hand side, but what are we going to do in this POV test drive? Well, we're going to test these headlights and the high beams and the automatic high beams and see how well they illuminate the road. And as always, we're also going to go for a braking test to see how quickly this Mini Cooper is able to stop itself. There you see the Union Jack tail lights, which I very much like, and the green we have is British racing green, so yeah, pretty much a win-win. That's a nasty spider on that window. It's hopefully going to fly off while we drive. Anyhow, if you like this POV test drive, we have two more, which I'm going to go into detail on later. But if you want to hear all my thoughts about this 2022 Mini Cooper Countryman plug-in hybrid, make sure to click in the top right-hand corner for my full review. We talk about the interior, the exterior, we drive it plenty, and see if it's worth the $55,000 Canadian that Mini wants for it. With that being said, let's go and drive. We have the upgraded interior. This is pretty much top spec Mini Cooper Countryman. Let's turn on this light and leave that one. Also, if I sound maybe a little rough, I am recovering from a very bad tonsil in inflammation, and I just regained the ability to speak for more than 10 minutes today. So here we go. The transmission. Okay. There we go. Okay. Didn't properly start it. We're gonna drive it in not max eDrive, in auto eDrive. So it's gonna decide if it wants to use hybrid power, which is in the rear, or our internal combustion engine, which drives in the front wheels. The gauge you see, if the needle is on yellow, it means we're electric. And you can hear it. Very distinct noise. That's the internal combustion engine jumping in. Yeah, to turn on the automatic high beams, I want this on. Just press the lower button at the end of the left stalk. Automatic high beams are enabled. And let's see, we got quite a bit of traffic here still, even though it's like 11 p.m. But we'll definitely get around to testing them on and off. And I'm just gonna stay quiet sometimes throughout this, so you can actually see and hear how it is to drive the Mini Cooper Countryman at night. And high beams turn on. Okay, so let's speed up to the speed we usually are, 60 kilometers an hour. And as soon as we hit that tree here, we're gonna brake. And let's take the bigger one. Very quick, very quick. We stopped about by the bush. I'm gonna try to make this comparable for future videos. I don't know if we'll succeed for that, but it's more so about just the feeling, right? And this felt pretty good. I can turn this off quickly here, the light, and I can compare high beams to no high beams here for you as soon as we are over this little hill. Okay, so high beams off, obviously, on, off, on, and off. Very well illuminating the road ahead. I like the lighting. And let's turn the automatic ones up again. And from my own driving, I can tell that these work really, really well in terms of illuminating the road and reacting to cars up ahead. So it's quick to turn them off, and it's quick to turn them on again once the car passes you, and it's not struggling with detecting cars in front. So it's overall a really good system. There you see it turned off very quickly. And turn them on in no time. The smoothness that the electricity provides is just very, very nice. Seamless seamless acceleration and instant non-stop. Okay. I was about to be like left. No, left. No. Didn't mean to rush them. I would have gone past them. Side of the road there. That's a raccoon, eh? A little raccoon on the left. Anyhow, that concludes our night POV test drive for today. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe, because the more videos, the more subscribers I get, the more videos I can make for you every single week. We have got new cars, we review everything from, well, plug-in hybrids like this to full-on EVs, luxury cars, sports cars, trucks. We literally got it all, and we always do it with a little bit of fun. And like I said, if you want to know more about this MINI Cooper Countryman, check that out on the full review, which is somewhere on your screen, or in the two POV tests we got two, which is one is on the highway where we test the assist systems. Sorry, like I said, just regained the ability to talk again. And ones in the city where we test the smoothness of the drivetrain. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.